today. I don't know what to do. So, yeah, I'm thinking about showing you some shit that I can do and probably you can't. Actually, none of my friends are flexible as I. And, yeah. Oh, fuck my back. Oh, god damn, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, gotta bite the muscle. God damn it. Note to self. Oh.